Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. In this video I want to talk about Lucky Bird Casino and how to download and install the Android application on your device. So first of all, you should visit official website, link on it I'll leave in video description. If you don't have an account, hit button in top right corner and fill in simple sign up form, then hit create an account button. I recommend to sign up via mobile phone because after all you need to verify your mobile phone and it's easier to restore your password, and when you'll withdraw your money you'll need to verify it in any way. So if you already have an account, then you should open menu in top left corner, tap on mobile applications, and then tap on download button. Now I need to press OK to keep Lucky Bird Casino APK file on my device. Click on open. If you see on this step another notification, you should click on Settings and Allow to install apps from unknown sources for Google Chrome. Then click on Back button. I am clicking on Install because I have already allowed to install apps from unknown sources for Google Chrome. Let's check out how this app works. We see splash screen and it's immediately shut down. I don't know why. Now it's working. I have no clue why it has closed. They have dark theme and it's like auto detect that my smartphone has dark theme too. That's a good side. Okay, basically this is it. App has some functions as mobile version of the website. If you have any questions about Lucky Bird Casino installation process on your Android device, ask me in comments below, I'll be glad to help. If this video was helpful, please press like and subscribe button. Thanks for your time and attention and have a good day. Goodbye.